round 2 of Jurassic Park. I thought I was gonna get on the ride, but it's taking half an hour.
Make sure you're
Oh fuck, I made it! I fucking made it!
Please pay attention to these important instructions.
I thought we were getting on, but we're not. Made it. Made it. They're not getting on. It's for me only. We are back. Time to catch some dino. Some dinosaurs. Oh, my hair is fucked. My hair is so fucked up.
A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
It's like it's steady raining. What the hell? Okay, this is the most soaked I've been on this. I feel like I just went swimming. What the fuck?
Multiple containment failures.
I'm good. Oh, my favorite gun.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Kill this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire here. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please. A security team is deployed.
This anonymous dick.
Do
my hat back on. Escalator, escalator, escalator. It goes forever. Oh. Went on Jurassic Park and the mommy got hella freaky, dude. How freaky did you get? Going to Moe's to get absolutely obliterated. Holy shit! You don't know how to fucking walk around here. Can't even go to Moe's and get obliterated anymore. Bag secured. Bag secured. Or should I say box? Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh yeah, I can't look at the little card there. That gives it away. That gives it away. Oh. Oh, I cracked it from the side. Look at the bean! This is the one I wanted. Yeah. 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 Mr. Bane. Mr. Bane himself. Oh shit. Now I need all of them. Please. Actually, it's toffee. My bad.